Ants crawling in through those tiny door cracks can totally ruin your chill vibe at home, but you can fix it without going all crazy. So first off, get yourself some door sweeps. They're like little barriers that block those sneaky ants from sliding under your door. Next, weather stripping is your best friend for sealing the edges where the door meets the frame. Easy to install and super effective. Don't forget to check around the door frame for any gaps or cracks and seal those up with caulk or expanding foam. Keep the area clean and dry because ants love moisture and crumbs, so a quick wipe down goes a long way. Also, try sprinkling some natural deterrents like cinnamon or vinegar near the entrances. Ants hate that stuff. If you spot an ant trail, wipe it away so they don't follow the scent back. Regularly inspect your doors and frames because new cracks pop up over time and you want to catch them early. Lastly, if you're dealing with a stubborn infestation, bait traps can help get rid of the colony without harsh chemicals. One of the biggest mistakes people make with ants coming in through door cracks is ignoring small gaps. They seem tiny, but ants are masters at squeezing through. Fix it by thoroughly sealing every crack with weather stripping or caulk. Another common issue is not maintaining door sweeps, which get worn out or damaged. Swapping them out every year keeps that barrier strong. Then there's the problem of letting moisture build up around doors. Damp areas attract ants like crazy, so fix leaks and keep things dry to stop them in their tracks. BigHomeProjects.com is a solid place for homeowners looking to find trusted local contractors who really know their stuff when it comes to home repairs and improvements. Contractors also benefit because it connects them with people who need their skills, making it easier to get work and grow their business.